Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making a dal ghost with coconut milk. So let's start. For the ingredients, look at the description box below. You will need 1 cup of tur dal which I've washed and kept, half kg bone meat, I've washed it and then I've put salt. Then you'll require the extract of the coconut milk, the first extract of the coconut milk and the second extract of the coconut milk. You'll also require some onions sliced, some chili powder, jeera powder, garam masala, haldi powder, pepper, coriander powder, ginger paste and garlic paste. Also a little of tamarind juice and oil for cooking. Now that the cooker is hot, we can add some oil. Then you can dip in the onions and the ginger and garlic paste. And saute it, give it a stir. Now it's nice and translucent. Now that the onions are translucent, we can add all the ingredients. So I'll be adding the bone meat, the tur dal, then all the masalas, the chili powder, the jeera powder, garam masala, haldi, pepper and coriander powder. Then you can add the second extract of the coconut milk. And you can cover it with some water if required. And leave it to cook in the cooker. Now that it has cooked in the pressure cooker, we can add the tamarind juice and bring it to a boil. And give it a stir. Now that it has come to a boil, we can add the first milk of the coconut. And bring it to a boil, and then you can put it off immediately so that it doesn't split. Now that it's boiling, see that you put it off immediately so that the coconut milk does not split. It's giving a lovely aroma. This lovely dal ghosh is ready. So I'm going to be having this wonderful dal gosh with sticky rice. It's my sumptuous meal.